In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo in Shopify. We are going to connect your Klaviyo account to your Shopify store, then make sure the Klaviyo app embed is enabled in your live theme so the integration can work properly on your storefront. Start by logging into your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you are inside your account, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your account name. From that menu, select Integrations. This is where Klaviyo lets you connect with other platforms, including Shopify. Next, click Explore Apps. In the search bar, type Shopify, then select it from the results. You will now be taken to the Klaviyo integration setup page for Shopify. Here, enter your Shopify store URL carefully, then click Connect to Shopify. Make sure the store address is entered correctly because this is what links the two platforms together. After that, Shopify will open so you can authorize the connection. On the Shopify side, click Install App. This gives Klaviyo permission to communicate with your store and begin syncing the data it needs for email and marketing activity. Once the app is installed, the next part is enabling the on-site embed inside your Shopify theme. In Shopify, go to Online Store, then Themes. Find your live theme and click Customize next to it. This opens the theme editor, where you can control app-related settings that affect your storefront. Inside the theme editor, look at the far left vertical sidebar and click the App Embeds icon. This section shows any apps that can be turned on directly within your theme. Find Klaviyo, or in some cases it may appear as Klaviyo Onsite. When you see it, toggle the switch to On. This step is important because it activates Klaviyo's on-site functionality within your store theme. After turning it on, click Save in the top right corner. Saving confirms the change and publishes it to your live theme. At this point, your Klaviyo and Shopify connection should be in place, and the app embed should be active on your storefront. If you do not see Klaviyo right away in App Embeds, double-check that the app was installed successfully and that you are editing the correct live theme. That covers everything you need to know.